Welcome to this Insta360 GO Ultra test in Oslo. Today, I am walking from the area near the Munch Museum. We move along the road towards the Christmas market lights. You are riding on my chest mount, seeing how this tiny camera performs. First, we look at slow motion during the blue hour. People crossing the streetcars, passing trams gliding by. Watch how the stabilization keeps the frame steady while I move. I bought this camera myself. This is not any paid promotion. All the impressions you hear are from my own experience. Look at the reflections from the city and the soft winter colors. As the sky gets darker, you can follow how the exposure adapts. Now we head closer to Aker Brygge to capture more movement. I start to walk faster and then jog so you can judge the slow motion clarity. Listen to the ambience around the harbor, the mix of water traffic and voices. This setup works well for travel walks, city vlogs, or simple daily moments. Stay with me as we move further into the heart of evening Oslo. Now we arrive next to Oslo City Hall and the Nobel Peace Center. Streetlights and shop windows brighten the evening scene. Here I switch into night vision to see how the camera handles darker areas. You can follow how the light from the buildings shapes the atmosphere. Low light mode activates as we reach deeper into the winter evening. Watch how the image stays usable even in dim corners and softer shadows. If you pause the video, you can check how well details stay visible. This camera is so small that people hardly notice it while I film. That makes it simple to capture natural moments along the way. Again, this video is not sponsored and not a paid promotion. I am only sharing this walk so you can see how the Insta360 GO Ultra performs. As we return towards Aker Brygge, the environment gets even darker. I show more clips in night vision and low light mode for comparison. Thank you for walking through Oslo with me on this test. Join me next time for more camera walks and everyday scenes across Norway.
Greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season. You mean Elmo? That's right.
Vai pela segurar aqui, dava pra ir falar?